So we got to talk about what could be insider trading. We talked about it a little bit on the stream today, but there was a $200 million bet that was put basically hours or even minutes before Trump made his announcement on the crypto reserve. And it came on a Sunday, and this guy actually bought Sunday morning. Like, it caught all of us blindsided by this trading. And it wasn't opened on one of the major exchanges. It was opened on Hyperliquid, which means it's anonymous and we don't know who it is, which makes it even more shady. But either way, it was a 50x leverage play. What this man did was he put $4 million down of collateral. But with the 50x, he was able to leverage $200 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And with the announcement that actually came a little bit later, obviously it went way up and he bagged around $6.7 million in profits out of his original $4 million collateral. So with the money he actually put in, it was over 150% profits. And you've got to have some balls to actually do 50x collateral on $4 million in an environment where crypto had been going downward for some time before the Trump announcement. And yes, he did pull out afterwards and he closed his trade. But what's got people really like looking at it is that it was done on Hyperliquid, so it was completely anonymous because it's a decentralized protocol. And the timing, I think like about 3 or 4 hours before he like moved some money like USDC or something or USDT onto Hyperliquid. And then like throughout the next couple of hours, he essentially started accumulating these contracts. And then just like 30 minutes before this like announcement, he actually accumulated all his contracts, and bam, 30 minutes later, like Sunday, I believe. I was actually in church on Sunday at that time. I didn't even know what the heck happened after I got home. Bam, Trump announced the crypto reserve and things went flying and he made bank on his 50x. Now, some people are like, he just got lucky. Others are saying he knew what was coming. And who would actually know what was coming outside of Trump's own team? Could it be Eric Trump? But I've heard people say Eric isn't actually all that bright. But there is someone in the Trump household who is fairly smart, I think, and he knows about crypto. And it seems like Donald Trump does take crypto pointers from him, and that's his son, Barron Trump. Could have it actually been him that opened that trade? I mean, he does have the access to money. And being Barron Trump, he probably knew that his dad would actually announce some kind of big crypto announcement, because like they probably do talk about the stuff at home. We would never have privy to that, and we would never be able to actually prove that either. So, guilty until innocent until proven guilty, basically. We will never know. But there are a lot of people, even in the pro-Trump crowd, that were like in my chat room today saying it could have been Eric or Barron Trump, or maybe one of the other insiders that knew Trump was going to make this crypto reserve announcement that wasn't supposed to be trading, but did anyways. And because he did it on Hyperliquid, we'll never actually know that took advantage of this trade. So yeah, the timing is very, very suspicious. He started like getting these contracts a couple hours before, and basically 30 to 45 minutes, he finished getting all the contracts. It was on 50x, which basically is a $200 million leverage bet, and he cashed out masterfully afterwards. The cashing out part's not all that surprising because once you get that much like profits, you cash out. But the timing of the buys takes some real balls, and it seems like people said he knew what was coming. And to be honest, none of us knew what was coming. Like I wouldn't expect this announcement to be made on a Sunday. I would expect to be like, a weekday, and then we'd all just like basically go in and do videos immediately. But it was done on a Sunday, so it blindsided all of us except for this guy, which is what makes it very suspicious. So let me know what you guys think. Was it insider trading? Was it just someone that got lucky? Was it Barron? Was it Eric? Or was it someone else on the Trump team? Like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let me know what you think in the comments.